and in a oh my gosh. Wait, okay, the badge, the GT3 anniversary badge and the 3rd anniversary cake. Okay, where is it? Okay, here's the cake. That's so awesome.
Where?
Okay, the I Lava You updates. Wait, this is so awesome. What the heck? Oh, another free badge? A heart? This is so cool. There's another free badge. That's so awesome. I gotta try some of these on. Okay, we got this. We got this like a bracelet. Okay, it's like a robe on your back. That's cool. A little heart, and I can squish it. It makes a face. You monkey. Oh! And like a crown. This is so cool. Daily tea. What is this? There's a daily shirt. What? Daily? Wait, that's cool. And then that's like a. Okay, I don't really want that. This is cool.
I beat the maze. 20.
Okay, that's cool. A heart staff. Oh, and it blows little hearts. There's lava hair. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Guys, there's another dog. Okay, I love you. I love you.
Oh my gosh. So is there gonna be a new shirt every day? Wait, that's so cool. Okay, now we gotta see if they changed the map. The moment of truth. It still has the swamp noise. I don't think it changed. No, swamp's the same. Oh wait, they did change the sky though. Wait, we gotta look at some of the decorations. There's a heart here. It's pink. So there's nothing really in clouds, sorry. I guess I didn't really expect anything. Oh, this spot looks so empty because there was always something here for the past few updates. The hay bales, the giant pumpkin, this small area in Christmas. Oh my gosh! And then there's the ice castle.
I haven't seen the volcano since 2023.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and tell me what cosmetic I should get. There is 2 dogs. There's 2 dogs. What?
Just kidnap your girlfriend. What are you gonna do?
There's 2 dogs. There's a new dog.
They're friends. They're besties.
It's green and why is there 2? There's 2. Yeah, there's 2 dogs now. That's so cool.